Piper with the Tuesday video, and it's Tuesday the 12th of February. Starting with Bitcoin this morning. Basically we've got this good, well, we've got the possible low there, then an A, B, well, C where it looks. There's no 5 in vision. I mean, this could be some kind of complex correction down to there as a wave 4, so it could be a 1, 2, 3, 4, and then the 5th wave to make new highs. I guess it's not out of court, or it could be that anyway, I think the long and the short of it is that we should see another rally. Okay, so we've got the low at 3,340 roughly, we've got the high at 3,710, that's 370 point rally. So it's actually equivalent, we can see an equivalent rally from 3,550, 370 points, 3839, about 3,920, so 3,900 to 4,000 would be a good target if this is a corrective move. If we can break above 4,000, then maybe we're seeing more than that. So at the moment, this is obviously, well, definitely a corrective looking form. Maybe it's an A, B, and a C. No confirmation of that, of course. We haven't seen anything to say it's actually over yet. I'm going to go to a 5-minute chart to see how that. Well, this looks pretty wishy-washy. I mean, really nothing to go on particularly. So although that could be the low, a bit of a spike there on the 5-minute chart, we haven't really got any confirmation, as I said. Nevertheless, a move up to 394,000 seems to be on the cards given the pattern so far. And if that comes in, then, well, it depends on the form it takes, etc., etc. But that's what I'll be looking for at the moment. Right, gold. It could actually be that we've seen an ABC here, and this could actually be impulsive. It could be a 1, ABC 2. This has possible 5 waves patterns developing here, 5 waves to there. So it could be actually that the correction's already over, in which case it's probably 4 of 3. This will be the 5 of 3 before a bigger correction comes in. So we could see new highs here, but I wouldn't expect to go too high, as it would just be completing the wave 3 as far as it looks. Well, looking at the DAX, we've seen this 5 wave advance, which we've discussed already. We now have 5 waves down off this peak around 11,390, which is quite an interesting situation. Suggests that we may have seen wave A of an ABC, although of course it could be more serious than that. Let's go down a leg here. This is the hour chart. This is the previous chart was hour, just expanded a bit. So I've got a clear 5 waves down. 1, 2. What am I doing? 1, 2. That should be 3. Where's the? God. Let me readjust it. I'll try again. So I have the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Quite clear. Also we've got the rally here. That's, I think, you see, from around 10,870. Up to 11,040, so that's 200, that's around 160 points. So it looks like an A wave, A, B, C, correction B wave, and now this rally from around 10,980. So we add, so add 170 to the low here, around 10,990. We get 11,160. Is right where we are now approximately, so we could easily see, I think, a pullback here. There could be a complete ABC. It's in between the 50% and 60 commentators level, which is very key. So I'd look for sell signals around here. That could produce another sell-off equal to this at the least, which was around 300, 400 points. Sorry, 520, 30 points. So that could be a significant decline coming in to create an ABC decline. Let's look at the bigger chart. Alright, another sell-off from around current levels of equal distance takes around there, I think. And that would then perhaps be a great buying opportunity, depending on what's going on in the marketplace. I mean, we have got this Brexit thing, which I think is beginning to look as if the EU is losing the battle, I think, mainly because of their tactics becoming so obviously sinister, I think is the right word. They seem to have no interest. I mean, putting up Ireland as a hostage does seem a rather strange action, and maybe a little out of touch with the news, I guess. But last article I read was just that they were prepared to throw away Ireland one of the member states just to get back at the UK, which seemed rather a strange. Anyway, as I say, that may be out of date, but a sell-off could develop. Whether we're going to see the subsequent bounce on that K scores is perhaps in doubt, but fundamentals have never been my thing anyway. So I think at the moment, I mean, it's all very good to pin the tail on the donkey, which is what news commentators do all the time with the news. If something happens, they try and find a reason for it, and so they can say something, but it doesn't often make a huge amount of sense. Anyway, we're going to the next market. Well, FTSE, no change of opinion here. We've got the Clear 1, ABC 2, and 3 in progress. Again, it could be an ABC, but no reason to doubt it at the moment. These pullbacks been much more muted on the FTSE than elsewhere. And looking at the Dow again, we've got the A and the B, which looks like it could be complete, a flat perhaps. So another leg downward, fitting quite nicely as an ABC. Very, very muted response on Wall Street. Looks like that's a sign of strength. The DAX looking considerably weaker than the Dow, and FTSE looking also looking quite strong. So the DAX is lagging a bit right now. Again, if it's in ABC, then that would be a great buying opportunity, I think, at the moment. It looks, this pattern looks positive for some time to come. Anyway, I hope you found it interesting and useful. Back to the report on Thursday. Have a great day. Thanks for listening, and bye for now.